Hi friends, this is the Gen-Z beginner's guitar, acoustic classic guitar 3x4 junior size 36-inch kids child student guitar with 6 nylon strings guitar, and you can see it comes with a whole complete kit as a waterproof bag guitar, clip tuner, strap, picks, wipe. So I will show you it one by one. I take all the accessories out and putting it here. This is the waterproof bag, and you can see the zipper is good and it holds the guitar very well. And you can see this bag, it covers with the zipper and comes out really quick. There is a pocket for the accessories as well. This is a gloss finish that you can see, the wooden gloss finish. The back and side is a bass wood. The fingerboard is engineered wood, and then top is the bass wood. The tuning pegs are ABS and the strings are 6 nylon strings. The neck material is of maple and the number of frets are 18. And as I said, this guitar bundle comes with waterproof bag, guitar strap, 1 clip tuner, 1 guitar wipe and 2 guitar picks. You can see the really good design on this guitar. It's a classical design, and the strings you can see like the 3 different strings here, and the 3 are the nylon, but all are nylon strings. This is for the tuning the guitar, that you can tune this to set up all this band on this guitar. So why different white steel strings? So this is a classic guitar and all 6 nylons. These are not plastic or not steel strings, but D, A and E strings are nylon inside and white brass wires covered outside. They are not steel strings. This is the most traditional and standard craft of the classic guitar. So this is the strap that comes with this guitar that you can put on one side, and other you have to put it with the black string that is there. I am just showing you for the one side that to put on the side of the guitar. The other one that you can put, there is a manual inside, so I am not putting the strap for now. And just to show you the quality of this guitar, I am just trying to show the gloss paint and the string, that this is well designed and well maintained, or actually well made guitar. So one strap end you attach to the strap peg at the bottom of the guitar, and the other is a strap head. There is a black rope in the strap package. Use the rope to tie the strap at the neck of the guitar. And as I said, these are the 2 guitar picks. So one is here, I will show you one later on. There are 2 different color. One cleaning cloth or the guitar wipe that you can use to wipe the guitar clean. And this is the tuner. So this is very important thing. This is a clip tuner that comes with this guitar, and you can adjust all your bands with this tuner. So the battery is already there. You have to press the on and off switch. So press the on switch and put it on the end of the guitar, and then when you use your guitar and the clip one by one, all the nylon string, this will show you which band is at. So you have to set it by tuning those strings, and this band will tell you which band it's set to, and then you can set all those bands here on this guitar. So like when you put one by one all this nylon string, the band will show you which is like it is A, D, E or F, and you have to adjust it manually with that moving hooks on the end, and then you can use this one. So So this will a time consuming one. I will not show you the whole setup. I have another video with the same GNZ guitar where I showed all this tuning things in much more clear way, but for now this you can see the bands are appearing and you can set it up. When the green comes, this nylon string is set to that band. So overall this is a good starter guitar kit with 2 breaks. I already show you there are 2 breaks, one cleaning cloth, the tuner, and the band, the case, like the cover, waterproof cover. So everything is here. The string to put in the strap and the strap. Complete kit.